A wrongful death is really one of the most severe cases a lawyer can handle. When you have a wrongful death, you have a family that's come in that lost a loved one. Whether it's a spouse, a parent, a child, any of those types of deaths in some negligent act qualifies as a wrongful death. You know, you've got to prove a couple things. This is the one type of case where the person that's hurt is not in the room. So you kind of have to go by it a different way. You're relying a lot on family members. Tell me about your husband. Tell me about your mom. Tell me about your brother. So not everyone can file a wrongful death. A wrongful death is a little bit different. It's the estate of the individual that died. So usually you have a personal representative of the estate or a special administrator set up, and that is actually the person that brings the claims on behalf of all the family members. It's one person bringing it on behalf of everybody. So the statute of limitations for a wrongful death is 3 years from the date of the incident. And so if you have someone that was killed in a big truck wreck on November 1st, you're going to have till November 1st from 3 years later to either have the claim resolved or have a lawsuit filed. In a wrongful death case, family members can be compensated for the loss of a loved one. Now, the law does not have magic to bring a family member back. I wish it did. But what the law does provide is for family members to be compensated. When you have a wrongful death case, you have specific types of damages available. You're going to have damages available for the family. You're going to have, for a spouse, you're going to have what's called loss of consortium, the loss of that marriage, the loss of that spouse, having them there to go through life with you. You're going to have that loss. You know, for the children, they'll have the loss of a parent. For the reverse, parents have the loss of their relationship with their child. If you have someone who was financially providing for the family, you're going to have that type of damage that you can get compensated for. Then you have damages for the person that was injured, and those are different, but those are all designated by statute. And so the legislature wants you to recover for the loss of your loved one, and they've actually stated how to do it. So for any wrongful death case, we offer a free consultation. We want to make it as easy and convenient on the person and family as possible. If there's something that we can do to take it off their plate, give them one less thing to worry about, that's what we want to do. That's what we're going to go through. Whether it's through the probate process, whether it's through the lawsuit against the wrongful actor, those are all things that we do for the wrongful death because they have enough going on. So if we can make life easier in some other way, we're going to do everything we can to do that.